Good morning, folks. It's 11:55 a.m. Sunday, June 25th, 2023. Now, this is a NuTone Hacienda from 1984. This fan in particular, I could not find the motor screws or the screws that connect the upper canopy and the motor to the down rod. I still do have the cotter pin through the motor holding the down rod in place, but I had to use a couple of screws I had lying around, so hoping they will hold. It did have all the blade screws, however, and most importantly, the switch cap. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. If you haven't already, I would appreciate if you would subscribe to my page called The Fan Cave and like this video. Thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.